Yeah.
Put it at 68 degrees.
He doesn't miss anything.
She's the whole story.
She said fine, but she had to know why.
How many days have you had the cold?
It's been about a week now. So I'm reaching the end of it. Hopefully.
Are you taking anything for it?
Mm-mm.
No. I had a sinus infection about 2 weeks ago, so I don't know if I can get up. I'm just
My brother had one too. And
if I get a cold, it just automatically goes into a sinus infection.
yeah. Especially this time of the year with the fussy weather. It's
Right,
like
right. It goes hot,
the
cold,
humidity
hot, cold, yeah.
into that's he dries it like he says he gets very dry.
Right.
Do you get colds often this year?
Yeah.
You guys get a flu shot?
I do. I get one every year.
Us too.
I don't get one.
I got one.
Especially
I never
with all
got
those
one.
meetings with their germs.
I never got one till I got the flu.
My antibodies are up. I got a strong.
All right.
From working with all those kids, I barely ever get sick.
All right, that's good. Yeah, Margie, did you get your flu shot?
No.
I saw you over at
I don't think
my friend
No.
there wasn't any, so it must
Oh,
be.
all right, I'm surprised.
Adam's house, right?
Mary?
Yeah. That was a while ago. That was like
They don't
Nope,
get flu
he's my
shots
friend.
at the nursing home?
no.
He's my friend too.
Nope, my friend.
Yeah, I filled out a paper on it. What, honey?
Because I volunteer at the nursing home by us.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, and they made sure we got our flu shot too.
I think New York State requires that.
That was, believe me when I tell you. Is any,
Want water?
No.
believe me.
But I told you we never hear from them.
That's unusual. I thought sure you would have filled it up.
Kathy, did you put the dessert list out? No.
Yeah.
Not clicking that one.
I told you I would. So what they would take it for another course. Wait, everybody got so quiet.
I know, we're
Blaze it.
full.
What do you mean pick it up?
Blaze it.
Got a place?
Oh yeah.
We're full and tired.
Right.
Almost time for bed.
Oh, me too. Me too. One more course. Anybody want coffee or tea?
No, thank you.
No coffee. No, thank you.
Coffee or tea?
Matt, you hear me?
You still, this late, you okay with tea? This late?
Can I have some, Mom?
It's okay to have tea this time?
So,
Keep you awake.
how did it start though?
Can I have some?
Any vanilla ice?
Tea?
How did the cold start?
Tea.
Green tea?
I'm not sure. I work in elementary school, so I think probably
Anything.
just from one of the kids. My immune system's not up and running yet for the winter.
Annie, we need your help.
Huh?